Morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about the email discussion groups and email pals. And in the previous lecture, we learned about what is the meaning of formal emails, that is, request for something, and complaint emails. That is, and after that, the particular types of emails, newsletter email. If you see particular company's newsletter emails, you will understand how it is a marketing tool, powerful marketing tool. And now we are going to learn that next part about email discussion groups and email pals. First of all, email discussion groups. What does it mean? Computer mediated communication is getting popular day by day. There are various ways to use computer mediated communication, email discussion group, also known as email discussion forum, internet group, mailing list, or listserv is a type of group that avails online environment for providing, sharing, exchanging, commenting, discussing on a certain topic within the group by using email. This group is made up of people anywhere in the world who agree to communicate on a certain topic using email or internet. So, in this part, how it is groups to create online environment as well as online transaction, that is most important part of sharing, exchanging, commenting, discussing on a certain topic within the group by using email. So email means, it doesn't mean you are going to write only email and send to each other. There are also discussion groups, mailing list, and forums as well. This group is made up of people anywhere in the world who agree to communicate on a certain topic using email or internet. There are a number of groups on internet, that is email groups, which are created for the purposes of business only. There are so many online groups. All of you know that WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. You are already familiar with that groups, that is Facebook or WhatsApp. Similarly, you can subscribe for join or create an email discussion group. For this, you must have your email ID. First part, you must have your email ID. After that, you can use Google Groups to create an online email discussion groups. If you see, you open your email, there is at the top of the left, there is a option create group, and you can create your Google group. You can use Google Groups to create an online email discussion group. Once you sign into Google Groups, at the top left, you will come across the option create group. Next step, click it and enter information and choose settings for the group, and again click on the option create. You can select your group type like email list or discussion group by signing to Google Groups. There, if you click on the option choose a group, at the top right you will come across the option manage. Then you can select group type and can choose email list between other options like web forum, question and answer forum, etc. And when you understand what is the process, you can create your mails about your business matters. Mailing lists provides a convenient means of message distribution, giving a clear idea of purpose of the discussion group. So mailing list means the addresses of the persons, and you can understand how it is created and what is the purpose of it. A moderated mailing list includes selection for certain control, attachment, transmission, etc. Email discussion groups can be effectively used for teaching learning process, pedagogical use, that is for the purpose of only teaching and learning process. There are one more purpose, that is for the business purpose it might be used, and again it is used for the students and teachers as well. Email discussion groups can be effectively used for teaching learning process. These discussion groups can provide a useful dialogue between teacher or instructor and students for collaborative activities like subject content discussion, unit test, online discussion among students on the topics or syllabus, projects, etc. So, we can also create a group for our teaching learning process. See, here is a figure in your textbook. Here, the page of particular computer is printed in your textbook. You can understand when you are going to open your internet on mobile. You can also see that how you are going to create email discussion groups on the left hand. Again, group email address, group description is given in that particular page. There are a number of options in email discussion groups. Next part is about email pals. The concept of pen friends. All of you know what is the meaning of pen friends. That is, pen friend is a kind of friendship developed by exchanging letters with other persons, especially someone in a foreign country whom one has never met. In the same way, email pals or e-pals is a modern variation to pen friends where one can develop friendship with a person especially living abroad and whom you have never seen by exchanging emails. E-pals can be local or from very far away. So it is a concept like a pen friend. The main goal of EPAL is to share one's culture, tradition, nature, habits, feelings, and information, etc. A number of things you can use or you can mail and discuss in the EPAL sharing. So, why it is a main goal of EPALs to share one's culture? Because it is a friend you never seen him and you are sharing so many things, so many subjects with that particular e-pal. Email pals can include persons of all age, any nationality or culture. Email pals can be used as an effective medium to develop language competency. Why it is called language competency? Because the particular use of e-pals is important one because it used the informal language as well as create a relationship with the person you never seen or you never known. example of email pal, that is, one of the example is given in your textbook. Dear Martin, my name is Rahul and I am 22 years old, doing my graduation in a college. I found your email ID in a conference for UG students and learned that you are interested in developing email pals. I think that being in contact with each other, we shall share our views about educational system, language, country, culture, etc. I wish to complete my graduation in English. Have you completed graduation? If yes, in which field? Let me know what you think. We shall keep ourselves in contact by writing regularly. Hope to hear from you soon. Rahul. See, in this particular letter, we can understand how we can search e-pals, email pals, and we can contact them through their email ID only. And we can understand e-pal might be the useful concept or the useful helpful for our future or for our any purposes like business or any other purpose of our learning, as well as any subject related to that person and ourselves as well. So here we can understand what is the meaning of email discussion groups and e-pals. In the next lecture we will learn about the blogs, personal and professional blogs. Till then, thank you.